Hey there, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today it's a little windy out here, so sorry about the wind noise. But we've got a 2020 Ford F-350 Platinum. This is a long wheelbase, long bed truck. Single rear wheel. Has the FX4 package. It's a very nice truck. Only 44,000 miles on this truck. One owner. We have all the keys and the books. Window sticker on this truck was $84,000 MSRP. Has a really nice set of tires. No need to change those anytime soon. Power running boards. It does have a power tonneau cover. It's a Lear. We do have two remotes for that. You hit a button. Open, hit a button, close. It's a very nice truck. It's got everything. It's got massage seats, 360 camera, max tow package, heated cooled seats in the front, heated seats in the back, lane departure, cab lights, HD alternator, extendable mirrors. It's a diesel. Has it all. It's a really nice truck. Very clean, non-smoker. Panoramic sunroof. Has a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Move that seat back. There's no wear on the center console, that's nice. Has adaptive cruise control. There's your mileage there, 44,473. Does have the upfitter switches. Trailer backup assist. Cell phone charger. Truck drives great. These F-350s are a little heavier. They, you can feel it on the road. They soak up the bumps. Really nice truck to drive. As always, give us a call, text, email. We'll respond very quickly. The way this truck is priced, it's not going to last long. It's the right color, right options. Complete with all the keys and everything. So visit the website for all the pictures and information. We should have the window sticker up there as well. You can see every little option. It's rogersmotorcars.com.